Okay, so go into Marian University's website. I'm going to show you how to submit your attendance for the registrar. Click on Offices and Services and go to My Marian. It'll pull up this page. Click on CAM's Faculty Portal and then click on My Courses. I go into any of my courses. Down here you'll see something that says Attendance Entry under Course Attendance. Click on that. Change this date to the date that Jennifer Schwartz gave us. Load daily attendance. You'll see all your students' names. If they were all there, that's fine. You can also click here and say that they weren't there or they've never shown up or whatever the situation might be. And then you want to click on Save Daily Attendance. And that's all you have to do. So let me go into my other courses and I'll do the exact same thing. Attendance entry, change the date. Load daily attendance, they're all there. Save. And then just one more time to see it, I'll go into my third course here. That's all you do.